How to find and delete in Google Sheet. So let's start. To find any value, press the shortcut key Ctrl F and you can see the right hand side one box is open. Just enter the value. So I just enter here 661 and here you can see in this data the 661 is highlighted. To delete this value, in the right hand side the find box, click on the more option 3 dot and here the one dialog box is open. Find and replace the find 661 and replace with, just leave it blank, and after that click on the replace all and click on the done, and that's it. You can see the 661 value is deleted and here your cell showing the empty. Okay, again I press the Ctrl F and enter here the 661 and you can see there is a no values available, okay, in your data. So that's it. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you.